Today we will talk about how to make money on YouTube using AI. Hook 1. Long hook, open. What if, in the next 30 days, you could turn a single YouTube idea into a stream of automated income, without showing your face, filming a second of video, or learning complicated editing software? It sounds outrageous, but it's happening right now. Thousands of small creators, just like you, are quietly pocketing 4 and even 5 figures a month, using nothing more than AI tools and strategy. But here's the part they don't tell you. Most people fail not because the opportunity isn't real, but because they never learn the sequence. They skip the one step that flips a faceless channel from invisible to irresistible. And today, you'll see exactly how it's done, step by step, without the guesswork. Leave open, long hook close appears near the end. Did you know creators are making 6 figures using AI to run their YouTube channels while barely showing their face? I'm about to reveal the exact blueprint they're using right now. Have you ever wondered, when is YouTube going to start producing for me? Well, I was attracted to YouTube with the opportunity to create videos without showing my face. But after nearly 40 videos, I was about to scream. YouTube just was not blessing me with views and subscribers even though I was consistently contributing. This happens a lot to entrepreneurs embarking upon a YouTube adventure. So I changed my tack. I am presenting this video as an avatar bearing my face. It is sort of like those presenters who do their own videos, but with AI. It's vital for creators to encourage exploring multiple income sources beyond just ad revenue for sustainable YouTube success. Depending solely on ad income poses risks. Viewership changes and ad rate shifts can substantially affect earnings. Combining affiliate marketing with alternative monetization strategies allows creators to diversify income and fortify financial stability. Affiliate marketing offers the chance to earn commissions by endorsing products or services that synergize with the creator's content, complementing ad revenue.
You will be able to get affiliate links to promote the AI software products that you use. By selecting appropriate products, creators can elevate their content and add value to viewers, enhancing trust and conversion rates. It's crucial to stress that creators shouldn't depend solely on one income source to thrive in the competitive online world. Diversifying income streams mitigates financial risk and uncovers new growth opportunities. By exploring different monetization avenues, like merchandise, online classes, and sponsorships, creators can build a strong business model, supporting their creative ventures. Embracing multiple income streams not only fosters financial stability but also enables creators to continue delivering high-quality content to their audiences. Hook 2. Open plus close. Now, let's get brutally honest. Every day you delay, thousands of new AI-generated videos are flooding YouTube. The window is closing, fast. What was once an easy climb is becoming a race against the algorithm. But here's the twist, it's not too late. In fact, if you start right now, you have an advantage that early adopters didn't: better tools, smarter automation, and strategies that work today, not last year. The AI gold rush is here, and those who move first, win first. Main body transition. In the next few minutes, you'll discover how to build an automated channel that earns while you sleep, no camera, no editing headaches, no burnout. You'll see how to research profitable niches, generate entire video scripts in seconds, create AI voiceovers that sound human, and publish stunning videos that YouTube's algorithm can't resist. This isn't theory, it's the same formula used by creators who went from $0 to $10,000 a month while working part-time. And the best part? You don't need followers, fame, or funding. You just need the right map, and the courage to take the first step. Hook 3. Open plus close. Imagine waking up, checking your analytics, and seeing that one of your AI-generated videos crossed 100,000 views overnight. The surge of excitement. The realization that your channel is finally alive. That's the reward. But here's the secret, that kind of growth doesn't come from luck.
Words, 347. It comes from leverage. When you blend automation with strategy, the algorithm starts working for you, not against you. You'll learn how to harness that leverage today. Because the truth is, the future of content creation won't belong to the loudest voices, it'll belong to the smartest ones. First, AI content creation is exploding. Tools like Magic write your scripts, VidIQ creates thumbnails and does your research in video expressed, AI mobilizes text-to-voice with your face on an avatar to handle narration. You literally need zero on-camera skills anymore. Here's the money-making framework. Start with faceless niches that pay well. Think the 3 most profitable affiliate marketing niches where you can sell something from your channel are financial education, travel, and beauty. These topics get massive views and high ad revenue. Here's what's actually happening behind the scenes. Smart creators are using AI to solve the 3 biggest barriers that stop people from succeeding on YouTube: content creation, consistency, and scaling. Instead of spending hours writing scripts, they're using AI writing tools to generate video outlines in minutes. Instead of expensive video editing software, they're leveraging AI platforms that create professional-looking content automatically. Step 1. Use AI to research trending topics in your niche. VidIQ can analyze what's working and suggest video ideas based on current search trends. Step 2. Generate scripts automatically with Magic. Feed your topic into this AI writing tool and get complete video scripts up to 3,000 words in minutes. No more writer's block or spending hours planning content. But here's where most people mess up. They think AI means lazy, low-quality content that viewers will immediately spot and hate. That's completely wrong. The successful creators I studied use AI as their creative partner, not their replacement. They're combining artificial intelligence with human insight to create content that's both efficient to produce and genuinely valuable to watch. Step 3. Create visuals without filming. AI image generators produce professional-looking thumbnails and video graphics. Some creators never touch a camera but still get millions of views.
Step 4. Clone your voice or use AI narration. Tools like Video Expressed AI create realistic voices that sound completely natural and are lip-synced with your face on an avatar. Your audience may never know it's not you speaking. The real secret? Batch production. AI lets you create weeks of content in single sessions. While others struggle to post consistently, you can upload daily with minimal effort. Monetization happens fast with this approach. Don't wait until you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to get some YouTube ad revenue. Affiliate marketing and sponsorships all work perfectly with AI-generated content. Some creators hit monetization requirements in just 30 days. The AI tools mentioned above are fantastic programs not just to use, but to market to your viewers and subscribers. The biggest advantage? Stop thinking AI will replace creators. Smart creators use AI to multiply their output and income while working less. Creators can leverage their audience's trust by integrating affiliate promotions seamlessly into their videos. Sending valuable recommendations or insights can enhance click-through rates and conversions, ultimately increasing affiliate revenues. Using these tools to create your videos remarkably identify you as owning your business rather than your business owning you. Pre-CTA/emotional bridge. You have 2 choices right now. Keep watching creators rise while you scroll past, wondering how they did it, or finally take control of your own digital destiny. If you've ever dreamed of financial freedom, creative independence, or simply earning your first dollar online, this is your moment. The next few steps could redefine your income, your confidence, and your future. Long hook close, to be inserted near the end of your video. Remember the 30-day challenge I mentioned at the beginning? The one that sounded too good to be true? By the time you finish this journey, you'll realize it wasn't hype, it was a map. Because in the next 30 days, that transformation could be you.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.